Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today is our third in a series of using card candy from our team meeting. So I'm very excited to show these two. This one was actually mine. So I used the Cactus Cuties bundle on this one. I love that bundle. Some of the different sentiments from that set. And then our other one is from Tammy Broadway. And she used a variety of dies, mostly the Plentiful Plants bundle. I can't say that. Plentiful Plants bundle, but she also paired it with some other items from, we have the Flowering Rain Boots, we have the basket is from Season's Blessings, and then these are from one of the, I can't think of the name of it. It's in the mini catalog. Hold on, I'm gonna find it. It has a bunch of leaves. Tropical Layers dies, that's it. Yes, so but we use many of the same colors. We use some grays, some cinnamon cider, so I thought these would be fun. We're going to do 4 very quick cards today using these. I've just been doing 2, but today, you know, I had some scraps of the Bloom Where You're Planted designer paper, which we both used, and so I thought, well, why not? Why not do 2? All right, so I have, I cut a sheet of Smoky Slate cardstock in half. So we have 2 Smoky Slate card bases. Now I love doing colored card bases. I know a lot of people use the white. I just love colored. So I'll add white to the insides later. And then I cut a piece of cinnamon cider in half. So that will give us 2 card bases here. And then I was looking, I had some scraps of Bloom Where You're Planted. So I had this one, but I love the wood grain. So I just cut, you know, 2 pieces 4 by 5 1/4 to go on there. These are quick cards, you guys. I'm not, we're not messing around here. Quick cards with beautiful card candy, so we don't have to do anything else. So then this one has that paper on the back, but I don't want to focus on the paper on this one. So I'm just going with the muted single color backgrounds. That's it. All right, so let's start with a couple of Tammys. So we're gonna do a brown and a gray with Tammys. All right, we're just gonna slap this on. I'm so glad we did card candy for our last swap. Now you know, I'd love for you to be on my team. You do not have to be local. We have team members all around the country. And if you want to ever participate in a team swap, you are more than welcome to do that. We have team meetings the 3rd Wednesday of every month on Facebook. And then we do meet in person every other month on the 3rd Tuesday. I'm just peeling these off. They already have dimensionals on them. Where do I want to put that? I'm just going to kind of put this over to the side. And it's already cut to fit my card. I mean, how great is that? I didn't put it on straight though. That's on me. That's not Tammy's fault. Okay. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I love how the plant goes past it. It's already got a ribbon, it's got a bling. We're done. Okay, let's do one. Now with this one, because of the gray, she's got one with the gray here. She's one of the little fun doilies. You know what? I think I'm gonna stick this on with vertical bricks. Why not? Why not? Now I did pull a little piece because I don't have a sentiment on here. I'm hoping this fits. So I just grabbed a Sunny Sentiments. This was right on the front of my stack. Whoops. So I grabbed this one. I'm just doing a happy hello to you. Let's see if we have a block. Use my Stampin' Crew block. Have I used this before? I don't know. Let's use some basic gray. We'll use the dark gray. stamp it once, make sure I have it straight on my block. I don't think I've used the cinnamon. I've used the other ones in there. So if it's a brand new stamp, whether it's red rubber or the photopolymer, I always try to rough it up on my paper because the ink will stick a little better. All right, we're gonna stamp it to the right. Perfect, although I have a glitter piece there. Ugh, I hate it when that happens. Okay, let's see if we can just take it with our blender pen. We'll just kind of cover that right up there. Get a teeny bit of gray. And color it in. All right, never saw that glitter. Okay, I'm just going to slide this on. Slide it right under, look. I'm gonna bring it to the side, all the way over to the side. My card here. I probably could have found a smaller one, but I just grabbed whatever was on top of my scrap box to put my sentiment on. Perfect, love it. Isn't that cute? Okay, so that's 2 down. All right, let's get out these 2 and we'll do the Cactus Cuties. Whoops. The Cactus Cuties card candy on this one. All right. That's the cinnamon cider. Here's our smoky slate. Whoops, pop back up in there. Okay, so let's see which ones we're going to use here. I feel like we definitely have to use this one. I'm going to put this one at the bottom, and then this is Hope Your Day is on Point. We're just going to pop that up right there. Oh my gosh, we're done. Boom. And then we'll use this one just a note. I don't know, where do you think? I feel like I want to go right in the middle. Right here. And I've got, look, we even have a pebble on there. I feel like I want to just add that little flower of color right there too. Why not? Just add a little pop of pink. And then we're done. That's it. I mean, I'm going to cover that up so you don't have to look at that. How cute are those cards? And we made them in like 2 minutes. All right, if you would like supplies that we used, measurements, colors, whatever you need, just click on the link below on my blog. And make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks everybody for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.